Okay, so I want to add an action because I'm going to have the client will be able to either add events or delete the events. Okay, so what I will do is if event dot parameter, let's take that out. So I'll just say let action equals event dot parameter dot action. Okay, so if the action equals add, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add an event. Else, if action equals delete, then what I want to do is I want to get hold of all the events. So we'll say let events equals calendar app get events. Right, so I've got this one here that takes a start time and an end time, and it will give me all the events that start at a particular time and end at a particular time. And then we will say events for each. Okay, and it will take a callback. So each time it will give me an event. And no, let's call it E because I've got event here. I don't want to get any problems because I have naming clashes. So I think it should be okay, but just I'm not gonna give it the same name. So I'm gonna get an event, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to say E dot delete event. Okay, so if it finds any events, that's what's going to happen. It's going to give me a I'm going to get hold of that event and I'm going to just delete it. Okay, so now if I go back here and so I've got the services calendar, and if I say action equals add, so let's remember that we don't have, I've actually deleted that event. So if I say add and I press enter, I will have the event added. Oh, no, sorry, one thing, I need to publish this again. So it actually added the event. Okay, it's updated. It added the event using the last version, and now let's actually delete it since we have the event added anyway. So that's the event, morning first briefing. So I'll go back and I will delete. Hopefully that will delete that event. Okay, so I go back and wait. So it's running there. Finished. It's gone. Okay, perfect. Alright, so if you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.